Rebel Canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. As always, sanitize your jars before you start. So, we're going to do pepper infused honey. We're doing a couple different ones. I'm going to start with the jalapenos because they're the thing. I have 2 of them chopped up in here. And then I'm going to go ahead and add about 2 cups of honey. Turn the heat on and let that infuse. This honey will not be retaining its health benefits because I'm boiling it, but that's okay. I want the hot honey. So once it comes to a boil and I start to cool it, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar and my hot honey will be done. You can strain this or you can leave the peppers in. I think for this batch I'm going to go ahead and leave the peppers in because I think that's going to look pretty. So I'm just going to go ahead and bring that up to a boil and let it simmer for a few minutes and go ahead and put it in one of our jars. 1 cup local honey. Support your local beekeeper. 2 peppers of any kind chopped. 1 teaspoon of apple cider or regular vinegar per cup of honey. Hot honey is amazing. I love it as a marinade for chicken and beef. So you can use it all sorts of ways, but it's a great way to preserve both your peppers and to use your honey in a new and unique way. So I hope you enjoy this recipe, Rebel Canners. And as always, thank you for stopping by. Have a great day. Like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss another episode.